Hello and welcome to my painting video. In this video I'll be painting a classic Chaos Space Marine in retro 80s colors. I found a box of old Space Quest miniatures and I forgot how cool these Chaos Space Marines were. I thought it might be fun to try out an 80s Retrowave style of painting using lots of purples, blues and greens. This is how I did it. Let's begin. As per usual, I primed the model with Wraithbone. I wanted to try light colors as a base coat, and this works really well with this color. To base coat the purple armor, I use Slaanesh Grey. Make sure all the armor that will be purple is nicely covered. You can always fix other parts with Wraithbone later. Now I heavily wash all the armor with Volupus Pink. The wash will make the armor look splotchy, but I'll fix that in the next step. The next color is Pink Horror. I use this to even out the pink-purple armor. The first highlight is a mix between Pink Horror and White Scar. This can be an even mixture. The second highlight is the same mix, but now I use 1 part Pink Horror and 2 parts of White Scar. Before I do the last highlight, I take an extra step to wash all the dark shadow parts with Nuln Oil. This will make the shadow look more rich. The final highlight is White Scar. I only highlight the highest parts of the armor. The largest section of the armor is done. Now I will clean up some stuff with the prime color and work on the blue armor. The blue armor will get a base coat of Hoeth Blue. Because of the light primer, it covers really well. My next step is to wash the blue parts with a blue wash. I didn't have that on hand, but I had a glaze called Guilliman Blue. This basically gave me the same result. With Hoeth Blue, I will bring back some of the original color on all the blue parts. The first highlight is a mixture of Hoeth Blue and White Scar. Make thin lines. The final highlight are some dots of White Scar to finish the reflective armor. The Chaos Space Marine is starting to look very retro here. To add some distinction, I want to have some green details. I go over the entire model and cover all those details with Wraithbone. Then I use the contrast paint Ork Flesh. Next, I use Skarsnik Green to even out all the green details. The highlight is a mixture of Skarsnik Green and White Scar. These classic miniatures are very fun to paint. I like the simple yet effective designs. The color scheme is very gimmicky, but maybe a kill team squad of noise marines might look very cool in this scheme. Keep on rocking and thanks for watching.